This is iPhone 12 Pro Max and the battery is not holding enough. I open the phone and I take the screws holding the metal plate and I put this phone for heating. This is the new battery and I prepare the new battery for the BMS transfer. The BMS is the flex which is giving the information to the iPhone. I put some alcohol after the phone is hot and I'm taking the battery very easy. I cut this BMS and I leave some place to solder. I desolder the new one and I solder the original one to the new battery cell. Then I put a fake battery inside the phone to cheat the software. And now I calibrate the original BMS with the new battery to make it 100%. I attach it to this calibrator and as you can see I activate the battery, I make it 100% and I clear the charging cycles. Now the battery is ready. I power on the phone. The phone will give me a battery message error, but then it will show the battery level on top. Look carefully. The goal is to make the battery 100%. So after a while, the phone powered with the calibration cable have to be removed and only the battery now have to be installed. This way the phone now will see that the battery is 100% again. And there is nothing to worry about. This is a professional job done by professionals. Here you are. I'm applying the battery and double checking if the operation is successful. Phone powered. I open the settings. The battery message is gone now. And here is the battery level, 100%. So we have a success. Now let's assemble the phone back. I put the battery, I put the screw on top of the metal plate and I close the phone. I power on the phone and I put the bottom screws to fully assemble the phone. And that's it. The job is done. This is Quick Phone and this is how we do it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.